welcome to Big Scary. In this video, I'm going to be playing Big Scary. Before we get into the video, just know, go watch somebody else's video if you want to see like an official video. Today, I'm just going to be messing around, probably playing like Monkey Marathon. Here, let me give you a sneak peek of the video right now.
No, we're playing Monkey Marathon, right? I know.
Anyways, now that you guys saw that, which is going to happen later in the video, I want to tell you guys something about one person who watched this video right here, which is so close to 100 views at the time I'm recording this. So if we could get 100 views at the time that I'm recording this, that would be amazing. Okay, so I want you guys to know that I hit 20 subscribers. Thank you all so much for that. And I've already got 2 more. Now listen, somebody on my video commented this. I had no idea that it was the Portal OST when I posted that video, because I just found it in the CapCut music library. So actually, I had no idea that that was the Portal OST. But then somebody commented, and now I know it. What are the odds? Anyways, let's just hop right into the video. And by the way, if you don't subscribe, this will happen to you at your own house at midnight. Terrifying stuff. Now let's get into the video. Before we start, I just want to review this. The gaming mode makes literally everything incredibly dark, which I will probably not use. Maybe I will use it in the video. I probably will. You never know. I'm gonna play Monkey Marathon. Enable and disable player collisions. I'm gonna disable player collisions. Enable turn, so I can go beep 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 beep. You know, just the. And then FPS, I don't have this on very much. Sometimes I have it on when I play Monkey Marathon when the game starts lagging. I really want to check that. But for now, let's go into the video. Alright, might join multiple codes since my name in this game. Last time I tried it, it didn't work when I first played this. So let's just go. And my name is now Monkey Ghost, since I have like the ghost hat on in the game. Right now you can't really see it because it's the lobby and I haven't joined the game yet. But anyways, let's just music. Alright, enough of that. Oh! The game freaking broke. Alright, let's go back into the game and see if I can join it. Probably. Are you guys playing Monkey Marathon? Is everybody playing it? Oh, you guys are playing. Hey guys, how are you?
Follow me. No, we're playing Monkey Marathon. I know. This ain't the right way to play Monkey Marathon. You're not supposed to beat levels. Run, run. Run, run. Yeah.
Come here, Monkey.
He went the other direction. Don't go over there. He went the other direction. Yeah, you're dead totally. Okay. You're dead. Let's go. He went the other direction. You're dead. I pissed my pants. That's what the ball was for.
I'm the strongest.
Oh, he's over there! Yeah! Follow me. One hand, my guy. Hurry, so fast. I'm running with one hand. No, the other. Ouch! Oh, yeah!
Oh my god!
Just keep on going. Don't look back. Don't look back.
I'm looking back.
I pissed my pants. That's how you look for Go, 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 go. Just keep on going. Don't look back. Keep on going. Look, guys, he ain't coming. He ain't coming. Guys, he ain't coming. He ain't coming. I'm running with one hand. I'm so scared he can't. Oh God, he's coming. He's gonna become. Oh, he can't teleport, my guy. No. Did you see his butt cheek?
He's not coming. He's not coming. He's not coming. He's not coming. He's coming the other way. He's going the other way.
He ain't coming.
I knew it. I literally knew it.
Just run back. No.
Bro, he's not coming that way either. He's gonna come the other way around. I hear him. He's behind us.
I'm so fast.
He's behind us. He's behind us. Oh my God. People were murdered. I saw 2 people murdered.
There are 2 people?
Run! He's dead. I died. Yeah, I died. I want to see this guy die.
Huh?
Okay. Oh, he just died. Oh, and that guy's dead. Help me! Help me! Go! Just run!
This way. Guys, this way. Black Whipper smart. Oh, like this. Don't lag.
Where are we going? Yo! Oh my God! Bro, I just ate dinner and now I'm playing and like I have a
Get away.
Jesus Christ. He's not even coming, you idiots. Jesus Christ. Oh my God! Oh my God! I went solo! I just went solo! I just went freaking solo! Oh my God!
He's not coming.
Oh my God, bro, I gotta take a crap. Oh my God.